ça roule bon, balle bon. Et oui, les petits gens, ça well done. Et. Excuse-moi? Ça va?
Thanks, hi.
Thanks, hi too. Tu attends pour infirmière en dedans? Parce que l'infirmière, Madame Dani, est occupée?
Sorry, I don't know what you're saying.
Timon?
I don't know what you're saying. I can't help you.
Mais pas tousser là? Mais tousser?
I don't know what tousser means.
Qui tousser mean? Qui monte tousser mean? Qui monte tousser mean? Non, pour voir madame non. Mi c'est you ton docteur infirmière qui.
Yeah.
You black, you no be you bouche ton long ton bouche. You don't have to rime. Why you rime?
I don't want to be rude, sir. I really don't. I'm so sorry. I just don't understand what you're saying. I have no clue what's coming out of your mouth.
Excusez-moi, bon, c'est haïtien, il te regarde, il parle, tout ça, il parle, tout ça, il parle.
I don't know what to tell.
Il parle. Non. Ok, sorry, me, dérange you. Allez, maintenant, fini à pour le sortir là. Hey, you
Really trying to talk to me.
I
don't know what you're saying. I have no clue what you are saying. I don't know.
I say, est-ce que you too crazy nous? Parce que me, what ballet, you rete pour boire patate. Moi, c'est you pousse you.
I really wish I could help you. I'm sorry.
Madame Lambert.
I'm sorry. I feel so bad.
Bueno, foi. Aí sonhei de apobler ou je n'en m'en si ou tu connais cette proposition dans monde ou pas parler anglais.
Attendez, vous les mots pas m'aider moi. Bon matin monsieur, c'est ça son nom de régler.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry. Ah ouais.
Donnez.
Mais pas les créoles.